okay? Because he would have Alzheimer's and he was like, those damn devils. I'm like, Dad. But, I mean, even though he got older, you know, he became disabled, but he was still spiritually lifted and he still had faith. And, you know, my dad's definitely an inspiration to all of us. And hopefully we can follow his path and God will be with all of us. Love you, Dad.
I'm the oldest grandchild, and as the oldest grandchild, I was one of his fellas. My grandparents, Inike and Uluao, they spoiled me a lot, so they treated me like their own. I was raised without a dad, and he definitely played that role for me. He used to always spoil me with candies, and he would take me everywhere with him. If it was one of their conferences, I would be there with my little toy truck and mismatched shoes. He didn't know how to dress me, but he still took me everywhere. There was a lot of good memories with him. He definitely played the good father role. I don't know any father who would play it just like him. I love my dad so much, and I miss him. It's hard because I was one of the baby girls. I mean, Beverly is the baby of all of them, but I definitely was the baby girl of all of them. I miss him so much, and he's definitely in my heart, and I just pray and hope that my son grows up to be just like him, because he was very supportive, protective, very strong.